So why is your camera looking a little bit like yellowish? Let's talk about it. So if you're new on this channel, make sure you subscribe so you never miss anything important. Okay, at first, just let's take a look at the display. So perhaps the camera is fine, only the display might be kind of like, yellowish looking. So you can go to the control center, hold down on the brightness and ensure that you don't have the night shift enabled and also that the true tone might as well be turned off. Right, these might change the color temperature of the display generally, and it's not ideal if you're taking a photo to kind of like confuse you with that. So that's the first thing. The other option is the white balance, right? So the white balance just brings this kind of tint to the camera, right? So inside of the built-in camera, we don't really have that much control over it, but for more professional approach, which includes the white balance setting, I usually recommend people to get a third-party camera app. For example, Final Cut Camera is a great choice because in there, you have the ability to manually adjust the white balance. So you can see, you can make it look much more yellowish than it needs to be. Or on the other hand, it might be like too blue. So you can adjust it manually like this to get the most out of your shot and ensure that it's looking the best possible way. And that way you can prevent the camera looking yellow and just getting the best shot you can. Of course, at the end of the day, you can still edit your photos and videos in the gallery and enable or change the temperature of your color. Like you can go to the warmth section and also decrease the yellow color from the image if you want to. So you can also change it later in the post-production as well. So I really hope that I can help you with it. Let me know what you think below. Most definitely subscribe for more tutorials and videos like this one, and I'll see you later in the upcoming videos too.